What if I told you you can start making money in 2025 with nothing but Google Maps? No prior experience, no tech skills, all you need is a laptop, a phone, and some internet connection. And you can do this from literally anywhere in the world. This is one of the simplest and most underrated business models, and the best part is literally anybody can do this. I'm gonna show you step by step how to use Google Maps to find local small business owners, offer them simple AI solutions, and get paid every single month for it. This is the exact same strategy that I've shown hundreds of people how to do who've gotten amazing results even as a complete beginner. And I already know what you're thinking. This guy's definitely selling a course. Well, no, I'm actually one of the only people on this app that actually wants to help people make money. I'm not gonna sit here and charge you $10,000 for some course. I know what it's like to try all these online side hustles and business models and fail over and over and over again. I've been in your exact same position before. And that's why I give away my course and all my other resources for completely free. All I ask is you drop a like, send this to a friend, and drop a comment once you're done, and then I'll send you the link to all of my free resources, my free course, and literally everything else, my scripts, templates, everything. So if you're stuck, if you've tried all these other online business models and side hustles before and nothing seems to work, I promise, give this one a try, and I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. If you watch this video till the end, you will have a full blueprint on how to use Google to find these clients, reach out to them, and give them these simple AI solutions and get them to pay you every single month. And as a bonus, I'm even going to show you how to scale this business model to $10, $20, $30,000 per month. So stick around, pay attention, and let's jump into it. All right, so what we're gonna be doing, we're gonna be working with some small local business owners in your local city or your local town, or really anywhere. It doesn't need to be local. I recommend you start in your local city or your town because that's gonna give you a really, really big advantage. But you can start doing this literally anywhere. You can start in your local city, or you can do it a couple states over. You can do it in another country. This works literally anywhere in the entire world. And also, any type of small business will work with this. You can think plumber, chiropractor, dentist, HVAC, landscaper, literally any small business will also work with this. So we're gonna be using Google to find these small local business owners, and we're gonna reach out to them, and we're gonna be providing them with these simple AI business tools. So we actually have a couple different options when it comes to these simple AI business tools. I'm gonna show you a software platform that is so easy to use to provide value to these business owners, and it's super, super easy to set up. All you got to do is go in. It takes literally like 3 to 5 button clicks. It's set up, ready to go, and the software will do all of the work for you. Now, this specific tool that I'm going to be talking about in this video, you might not be able to charge $300 to $500. You definitely could, but that would be on the higher end for just this specific tool. Like I said, we have a ton of different tools that we have access to. The one in this video, you could probably charge $100 to $200 per month for, but the beauty of this is that you don't have to do any work once they sign up, and they're going to keep paying you every single month. So for example, you can get 1 client, 2 clients, 3 clients, 4 clients, 5 clients, and keep stacking your monthly revenue because of that. And it requires literally no extra work from you. So you can go out and just focus on getting more and more clients, which is super easy to do. So if you just got 10 people to sign up for this simple tool that I'm about to show you, that can be easily an extra $1,000 to $2,000 per month just from 10 people, where you don't have to do any extra work. So first things first, I'm going to jump ahead and show you how to find these local small business owners. So you're going to want to jump over to Google, and in the search bar, what you're going to want to do is just type in any small local business that you choose. Again, like I said, any small local business works with this business. And you can see here, once the page loads up, it's going to show you a couple different plumbers or a couple different whatever the business that you searched. And you can see there's a couple up here that are sponsored. Now, these people that are sponsored are paying to show up towards the top of Google, which is fine. We could reach out to those. Usually what I like to do is scroll a little bit down. You're going to see a couple more sponsored ones, and then you're going to see this section here called businesses, where it's going to really just show you every single business, not just the sponsored ones. It's going to show you the sponsored ones and just the regular ones that show up on Google that aren't paying to be at the top. And then you can come down here and click on this button that says more businesses. Once you click on that, it's going to show you the full breakdown of every single small local plumber near you. And you can scroll through and you can see there's a ton of different businesses here. You can see this guy has 93 reviews. This guy has 117 reviews. But the one thing you'll notice is that every single one of these businesses, or nearly every single one of these businesses, has a phone number listed on their profile. So now that we know almost every single one of these business owners has their phone number listed on their profile, I want to go over a very important statistic that's going to play a key role in what we're doing here. That statistic is that over 60% of phone calls to all of these business owners on Google go completely unanswered. And obviously that's a serious problem, because when people reach out to these business owners to get whatever the service is, 60% of the phone calls going unanswered. A lot of these business owners, they're missing out on free business because of that. And an even worse problem, the people that are paying for advertisements, the people that are paying to show up at the top of Google, they're now losing out on business, and they're losing out on the money that they spent to show up at the top of Google, because they're not making good use of showing up at the top because they're missing the phone calls. So obviously this is a huge problem. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to reach out to these local small business owners, and we're going to offer them a simple service called missed call text back. What this is going to do is every single time one of these small business owners misses a phone call, the customer is going to get an automatic text message saying, hey, sorry we missed your call. How can we help you? This is something that's very, very simple, but it is extremely effective in saving all of these business owners money. And you can see how valuable it is. Think about it from the perspective of being a customer. Let's say I'm a customer and a pipe burst in my house. There's a pipe burst. There's water going everywhere. I have a problem and I need this pipe fixed now. I need it fixed right away. So I come to Google and I see, ooh, this guy's got 806 reviews and he got 4.8 stars. Let me call him. If I call him and I don't get an answer, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to call the next guy. And if this next guy doesn't answer, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to call the next guy until I get someone on the phone that can fix it right now. But if I call the first guy, he doesn't answer, but I get a text message right away continuing that conversation. So I can just text him back and say, hey, I have an emergency. My pipe burst. I need someone to the house right away. It's so much easier for the business owner to answer a quick text message rather than have to go look through his missed calls, call me back later. And at that point, I've already found another plumber, so it doesn't matter. So you can see how valuable and how important it is to have a tool like this for the business owner. So now that you know where to find these business owners, we can jump over to the simple software that we're going to use to give them this tool. And this is literally the easiest thing to set up. I'm going to show you how simple this is. So you're going to come over to the Launchpad, and right here, you're going to click on this green connect button. Now, what that's going to do, it's going to take their Google business profile that we saw over here on Google. Each one of these is a Google business profile. They're going to type in their username and their password, and it's going to log in their Google account, and it's going to connect it to this simple software. Then you're just going to click on business profile, and you can scroll all the way down to the bottom here, and you can see this checkbox. All you have to do is literally click the checkbox and click save missed call text back settings. And you can even fully customize this message however you want. So you can see here it says, hi, this is location.name, and it will automatically fill in the business's name right there. I saw that we just missed your call. How can I help? And you can go in and fully customize this message however you want. So you can fully write however the business owner wants it to be. You can fully customize it. Then you just click save missed call text settings, and that's it. Super, super simple to set up. It takes literally 2 minutes. And now you can have each of these business owners paying you at least $100 to $200 per month per business. And I know some of you guys are probably thinking like, okay, this seems so easy. Why would the business owner not just do it himself? And that's a really, really good question. So in my experience, I have worked with hundreds and hundreds and thousands of business owners, and you'd be so surprised when it comes to this stuff. They're so busy with their actual providing whatever their actual service is. They don't want to think about or do anything else. They don't want the headache. They don't want to deal with it. They would much rather pay someone like you or me to set it up and handle it for them. They do not care. They just don't want to think about it. They're just like, take my money, set this up for me, and have it work. That's all I want. They do not care, and they do not want to worry about another headache. And like I said, guys, I have a full step-by-step free course that goes over super in-depth how to set up this entire software, how to set up all these really cool tools. All I ask is that you drop a like and a comment, and then I'll send you over the free guide that shows you how to set this up And it even comes with a full extended 30-day free trial for this software. Normally it's a 14-day trial, but when you sign up through me, you get an additional couple weeks on the trial. So it comes out to a full 30-day free trial. And on top of that, you're going to get all of my additional resources. You're going to get how to provide the best service to your clients, how to keep your clients paying you every single month, and on top of that, how to set everything up. So now you're probably wondering, okay, Connor, I know how simple the software is. I know where to find these business owners, but how do I get them to pay me? Very, very easy to do that. So you're going to come over to the Google page that we were on before, and you're just going to scroll down the list. Now, because all the phone numbers are listed here, you can call the business owner, you can email the business owner. Usually their email is on the website, or you can shoot them a text message, and you're basically just going to say something along the lines of like, hey, Mr. Business Owner, I can save you a bunch of missed business every single month. You're probably missing out on $2, $3, $4, even $5,000 a month in missed out business. I have a simple AI tool that's going to help you save out on all of that missed business. And if I don't save you at least 4 to 5 jobs per month, you don't pay me a single dollar. 9 times out of 10, you're going to save them 20, 30, 40, or 50 jobs a month, depending how many calls this business owner gets. So you're making them a really, really good promise that you're going to way over deliver on, and they're going to be more than happy to take you up on that offer. Because if you don't save them at least 4 to 5 jobs, which for a business owner is probably a couple $1,000s worth of revenue, they're not going to pay you a single dollar. So it's a completely risk-free offer when you pitch it to them like that. And 9 out of 10 times, the business owner is going to say yes. And then once they're in and they see how valuable it is, they're going to basically be throwing money at you to keep this tool active. And also, like I said, there's a ton of other tools that we can offer them inside this software. I have a bunch of other videos on that as well. So you can go through and just rinse and repeat this process all day, every day. And as you can see, this is a super, super scalable business model because you're not really doing any work. The software is going to be doing all the work for you. All you have to do is reach out to these business owners, get them to say yes, and then you can go and just keep rinsing and repeating the same process over and over and over again. So for example, let's do some quick math here. If you just get 10 people, like I said before, to sign up times 100 a month, that's $1,000 extra a month on complete autopilot, fully passive. So you can start this out as a complete side hustle, and then slowly as you build up your client base, you can make more and more money and then do this as a completely full-time business model. If you were to just get 100 business owners to say yes, and I know at first that seems like a lot, but I promise you, once you get started, you're going to see how easy it is to get these business owners to say yes. If you were able to just get 100 of these business owners to pay you $100 a month, which is very, very affordable for these business owners, you're going to be doing $10,000 per month completely passively on complete autopilot. And that's more than enough for anyone to live pretty comfortable. And that's not even the limit. You can really scale this business model as high as you want to take it. So I hope by now you can see how straightforward this side hustle or business model is at this point, and how valuable what we're actually providing to these business owners is for their business. It's going to save them thousands of dollars per month while only charging them a very, very small amount. So it makes it a complete no-brainer for them to say, yes, sign me up and pay you every single month. And to put it in perspective, a lot of these business owners are spending thousands of dollars a month on marketing, and they're doing all this crazy stuff to get more business. When they realize they can just pay you $100 a month and save out on maybe 20 to 30 customers that they would have missed, they're going to think this is amazing. They're going to refer you to their friends, and then you're going to have a ton of people paying you $100 a month, and you could just rinse and repeat. So I hope this video was super helpful for you guys. Again, I made a completely free course that goes over step by step, literally everything you need to know about the software, how to get clients, where to find them, all my scripts, all my resources. All you need to do to get that, drop a like, share this video with a friend, and then just drop a comment, and then I'll shoot you over the link to get started. And like I said, it even comes with a free 30-day trial to get started. And as a bonus, it's even going to show you how to add all these additional services on top, so you can increase the amount of money these clients are going to pay you. So instead of getting $100 to $200 a month, you can now get $300 to $500 per month by just adding a few simple features on top. So other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and have a great rest of your day.